Yeah, hello. So 8 months ago, I posted a video about how you can make money on Jumia as an affiliate of the Jumia JForce program. So these affiliate programs are programs that require no money to start. Yeah, I know there might be a lot of influencers or maybe videos circulating online about how affiliate operates. So most people use devious means to take money from people as affiliates. So the popular one is you just join through someone or maybe someone sends you a link and they register you at their end. So let's say they tell you registration fee is 200 cedis or maybe 100 cedis or 500 cedis. Of course, that's not what we are going to talk about today. So today we are going to talk about Oraimo and Jumia affiliates. So I've been using this for the past 8 months to 1 year now, and I will share my screen or maybe show you how I've been earning and my step-by-step guide on how I set up my account, refer people through ads or maybe through videos or maybe the ways I earn with these platforms, how I withdraw my money. Before we start, make sure you like this video, share and subscribe so I can be able to bring you more updates like this. Yeah, so I'll leave the sign up link in the description for the Oraimo. So let's enter the Oraimo website. So gh.oraimo.com. Yeah, so with the link, if you join, they'll ask you 1 or 2 questions. You upload a screenshot of either a Facebook page, Instagram or X, or where you are going to promote the product or maybe share your link specifically. So within 5 to 7 days, your account should be approved for the affiliates. And the minimum withdrawal for the Oraimo affiliates is 100 Ghana cedis. So, and most of the products are more than 100 Ghana cedis. So you will get that within after like 1 or 2 days after you referring people. So this is how it works. So they provide you a promo code for you to share with your friends and family, and anytime someone buys from their website or application, they get 5% discount from your code. So the 5% discount is, let's say someone is buying something of 790 cedis, you might get it around 765 or 780 or 70 something cedis. Yeah, and they get free shipping nationwide too. So let's say they buy the thing and they get your discount, they also get to receive it for free without paying any shipping fee aside their products, and they get the product and pay on delivery too. So after they get their 5% discount, you as the affiliate, you get 7% of whatever they bought. Yeah, so let's do calculations. So let's see, I want to buy this Oraimo watch AM, that's 610 cedis. So 5% of that will be 5% of 610 will be 30.5. So I will get this for 579 cedis, and out of that 610 cedis, you will get 7% out of that. So let's say you are going to get like 42 cedis as an affiliate. So let's say they buy 2 or 3 of this, you've already had your minimum withdrawal. You can withdraw anytime, any day. They normally do payments within 10 to 15 business days or working days. Yeah. So after signing in and they've approved you, you have this added to your account. You have this affiliate side added to your account. So let me click on order. So here's where they show you the number of people who have placed orders using your promo code and the estimated income that you get after successful delivery. So this person has cancelled his own, so it's no part. Yeah, so this person bought this electric toothbrush. He got it for 487 cedis, and I'm sure it was more than that on the website. So after applying my discount code, he got 487 cedis, and because he or she used my promo code, the person is going to get 34 cedis as commissions or bonus. So as you can check, here are some of the successful ones. You see received, and these ones are yet to be received by them. So the ones that I've marked as received, you will see them at your withdrawal side. So here is your order, where you check your order details and all of that. Then you click on withdraw. So here they show you the available balance you have, and the minimum payout is boldly written here, that's 200 cedis, and you get your current balance, that's 230.26. Anytime you want to request for withdrawal, you just enter the amount you want to withdraw, the bank name. I think they have Ghana Pay, ZP, Gmoney, EasyRich, Vodafone, Airtel Tigo, and MTN Momo. That's for Ghanaians. So for other countries with the Oraimo affiliate available, you can get it in your local payment option. So make sure you use the first link in the description to join, so you get approved very fast. Yeah, and you enter the name on your account number and all of that. So as you can check, this is the history. I just requested this yesterday, so I requested an withdrawal of 230 cedis. They will give you the date and time and everything. So when the time is due, they will just credit it to your payment account and you get to enjoy that. Yeah, so as you can see, last month or maybe earlier this last month, I did a withdrawal of 408 cedis, and you can see it's marked completed, so meaning I've received that money. And one thing is that they normally send the money with the charges. So let's say the person is sending you 408 cedis, and your carrier will take like 2 or 3 cedis to be deducted from your payout, then you get the rest. Yeah, so as you can see, so here are receipt of payment that I've made so far. So this is legit. The work is, make sure you create videos on maybe Oraimo product, or you tell people about Oraimo or how they can get their things or stuff cheaper with your promo code or your link. You can add it to your bios or maybe your link tree or all those affiliate links that you have with other brands. Just add this to your list. You can also buy their products, test it, and maybe review it and post it on social media, run ads, and you can make a lot of money with that. Yeah, so let's check other stuff like the user event. So the user event, here is where you check whether there is an ongoing challenge by Oraimo, so you can opt in or maybe join to earn more. So most of these user events are holiday or maybe some bonus or something that you join as an affiliate. So as a normal affiliate, if you join this bonus challenge, let's say they are running the promo and someone uses your code to buy stuff, anytime you get up to 3 or more pieces, like you get 3 or more pieces with your promo code, you win extra 50 cedis. So let's say someone buys a product, you get your normal commission, and anytime you exceed 2 or more orders, you get additional 50 cedis on top of that. And the more you sell, the more you win. So let's say you sell up to 200 pieces, you earn additional 600 cedis aside your 7% commission that you get on your orders. So this, I think so far, the best affiliate program that I've joined by Oraimo, and I can't just hide this from you guys, so I had to do an in-depth tutorial on this. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate, just DM me and I will show you how you can also earn more with this. So that's all for the Oraimo. Let's hop on to the Jumia JForce and see how best you can also enjoy from that one. You can sign up, but you need someone to recruit you into the program before you join. So here are the list of things you need to join the JForce: your name, your email, your phone number, and I think your Ghana card details. So you can send your name, your email, and phone number through my Instagram, so I onboard you, and after onboarding you sign up through the link in the description. So I think the Jumia will be the second link that I'll drop in the description, so you can join with that and they will accept you into their program. So the Jumia is very simple. You don't have to necessarily maybe have a promo code or something. You just sign in with your normal Jumia account that you used to buy with the JForce, and with that you get to enjoy commission on any order. So this is where you get to enjoy with the JForce. So with the JForce, all you need to do is fulfill orders for others or your personal staff. So it doesn't mean you should be buying the stuff yourself. Anyone around you, people that you know normally buy on Jumia, you can tell people you do orders on Jumia. So anyone that wants to order on Jumia, you can just order it through, or they send you a link to their products. And anytime that you buy this product with your main Jumia account, Jumia gets to credit you some. Jumia gives you commission for buying stuff on their website. So let me open my dashboard and show you an example. Going into my JForce dashboard now. So as you can see, I've realized the JForce is also available for Nigerians. So if you're a Nigerian too, you can join this and enjoy as well. So this is my dashboard. So you can see they have your sales page and your commissions, how do you call it, page. Yeah, so if you need any support, you can click here to get support. You can contact them on WhatsApp or anything. But personally, for my viewers and subscribers, I'm available if you need any help about the Jumia JForce program. Yeah, so your Salesforce. So this month I haven't placed any order on the app. So they divide your sales or commissions into two. The first 14 days is one. That's September 1 to 14, and the other one is the 15 to the 31 or 30 days. Yeah, so let's check my sales tab and see. So this month I haven't done any orders yet, so as you can see, total sales is at 0. So let's check, I guess 15 to 31 what I did. So I sold a total of 3,771 items. Now, as you can see, 3 items within that time frame. So let's check the previous one, that's 1st to 14. I also sold 1,220 worth of products, and yeah, so let's go back to the commissions tab and see. So I think the commissions for 15 to 31 ended very late, so this is what I got for last 30 days or last 15 days. I got 85 cedis, so this will be paid into my Momo by maybe 15 for maybe second week of this month. Yeah, so as you can see, 82 cedis with 2 items, and they categorize it into the kind of product that you bought. So phones, I had 24 cedis from phones and TV and audio. So I think I bought TVs and sound bar for someone, so I had 57 out of those sales. Yeah, so let's check the items. So I bought A16 for someone, and it was 1,600 and something. That's minus delivery to the person's location or to my location. So I had 24 cedis from that. And the Bluetooth soundbar too, I had 57 cedis from that one alone. Yeah, so let's go back to the commissions tab. And for the August too, I had 32 cedis from that side too. So adding that to be around 100 and something cedis, of which they will pay into my Momo when the threshold or the time is. So the time frame is normally 15 to 30 days after you successfully meet the commission on your page. And they have bonuses for top performing how do you call it, JForce applicant or maybe a referrer. So as you can see, they have success rate too. They have, so I think September I have 5%, 2 orders items completed, and 100% delivery success. Yeah, so as you can check, the people I recruit to show here, and if I'm to recruit any of you here, I'll just click on recruit a team member, and I'll just enter your details one by one here. So after clicking on it, sometimes you get a notification on your email to complete the sign up, which is very fast. If you don't get it after I recruit you and you join with the link, you automatically be part of me, and you can also earn some of my commissions if you are part of my team, and I also get some from you. So it's a win-win for both teams. Yeah, so you can also come here to set up your payment method. You click on payment account. You can enter your phone number and the name on the mobile money, and you save it. And they have levels. So I was on probation then, and I'm now at bronze or on the bronze level. The next level is silver if I perform well in this month too. So the more you upgrade your level, the more they increase the rate at which you earn on their platform. Yeah, so basically this is what a JForce is about. I decided to show this too because this is what I've tested and approved and it's working for me. They have other ones, but I don't trust them because most of them requires you to make a deposit or do some kind of payment before you join those platforms, and I don't think affiliate should be that because you're helping me get money as a side hustle, maybe a passive income. So it shouldn't be something that I register or pay for. And of course, who pays for a job interview, who pays before they get him or her into a job or something. Yeah, so basically this is the JForce for you. If you watch this video to the end, Thank you, and make sure you always subscribe, like, and share this to a friend as well. Bye.